I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be a quick haul of some shoes and boots that I got from Payless. If you guys are not following me on Snapchat, you guys should, because anytime I go shopping or anything like that, I always tell you guys about the sales, and I'm always like screenshotting coupons, or I'll just verbally tell you guys like what the sale is, how to get the cheapest price for any item or anything like that. So if y'all follow me on Snapchat, y'all know I fuck with y'all. So I am doing this Payless haul because I asked you guys when I went to Payless about 2.5 weeks ago. They had 50% off all their shoes, and they had an extra 25% off their boots. So some of these shoes was like $4, originally like 50 bucks. Some of them were like and then I went back another day and they had buy one, which was already 40% off, and you get the second one for half off. So it was like a win-win situation. So I don't want the video to be too long. I just want to show you guys the shoes I got because you guys asked. Now, the first time I went to the store, I had purchased 4 pair. I purchased 2, and then they didn't have my size. As you guys can see, I have a really big foot. I wear like 10s and some 11s. So yeah, some of the shoes fit me differently. That's why I have 10s and 11s. And then some of their shoes I can wear a 9.5. It just depends on how the shoe is made. If the boot come all the way up to my knee, you guys know I'm a plus size girl. And one thing I will say, if you are a plus size girl and you have like big legs like me or wide calves, you definitely want to shop with Payless because they have a lot of boots that come up to your knee. And some of them were very cheap that day. Also, they have some of them that come above your knees too, like thigh boots. They only had 2 pair, a black pair and a brown pair, and they were sold out. So if you're looking for some shoes at a really good deal, you guys know I'm on a budget. I don't care where it comes from. Payless, Nordstrom, Louis, wherever the sale is, honey, that's where I am. And you guys know I love somebody on the budget. So enough rambling. I just wanted to let you guys know. And also another tip when you guys are shopping, if you sign up for their emails, you're going to be the first one to get first dibs on anything. So I did a mixture of boots and shoes, so I'll show you guys. So the first pair, it is American Eagle. If I go online and find the shoes, I will link them down below, or I'll just have the name of the shoes down below. Also, like I was saying, I purchased 2 pair of shoes, and they didn't have my size in the other pair of shoes, so I had to order them there. They shipped them to the store. They called me when they came in. I went and got them because I didn't want to like not get the deal at that time. And then I also bought another pair of shoes when I went in the store that day to get the shoes that they called and said they was in. So these are the shoes right here. This is a size 10. These are really cute. I got these because I wanted to wear them with like my skinny leg jeans with like a tank top and like my little throw sweaters that come down to my ankle. I have some really long, like, I don't know if they're called camis, I think. Like the floral type kinds, the plaid kind. Basically it's a sweater, but it goes all the way down to my ankle. Then I have some that stops at my knee, but I just think those are really cute for fall and winter time. So this is how they look. I like the nice little chunky heel. You guys know I'm a big girl, so you know, and I like that it just zips up right here. So it's a really cute shoe to put on. It kind of reminded me of the little leprechaun. I think in the movie he had on some shoes like this, but I think they're really cute. I like what I like. And I just thought these would be cute, even with just like some leggings and a sweater, or just something really quick to go. And because I'm doing a lot of Christmas shopping and I want to look kind of cute when I'm shopping, okay? This is a really nice heel to wear. I'm not going to get tired in it. It's really comfortable. So yeah, I like it. Just zips up right here. And this is how it looks on the side. It's very comfortable. So that is the first pair, and I'm loving this color. on this shoe. It's not like a really light tan. It's not a dark brown. It's like a very natural, neutral, like caramel type of color. So that's the first shoe. The second shoe is by, what is this brand? Brash. So yeah. I wore these like 3 times already. If you guys follow me on Snapchat or seen my Instagram story, I had on like a skin tight black dress that stopped at my knee, and these were the shoes that I wore. These are 11. They run kind of small, so definitely try the shoes on. Like I said, some of the shoes I have, as a matter of fact, in my closet. I just gave some away to my niece and her friends the other day. They actually fit me a little big, which was weird. I guess when I'm working out, my feet is just doing its own thing, so I have no idea. This is how the shoe, as a matter of fact, these are not the shoes I wore. All the shoes, they're down there. These are not it. I've only tried these on. This is how the shoe looks. And I don't remember the prices. I know some of them was $4 and $11. I just don't know which shoe it was, so don't make me lie. These originally was $39.99, but girl, I ain't paying no $39.99 for these shoes. This is how they look right here. I like the peekaboo toe out. These would be really cute with some leggings and like a throw sweater, or have like crop top. I don't know. I would wear this with like a crop top shirt and some jeans, some leggings, or even like some dressy pants. I actually bought these because I have a pair of like dark chocolate high-waisted pants, and I have this black and dark chocolate shirt that I was gonna pair with these. The pants are skinny, like they're dressy brown pants, but they're skinny at the bottom, and I was gonna wear these with it. That's why I bought them. I like the big chunky heel. This is how the front of the shoe look, and of course you guys get the drill. Like I said, these run a little small, so I had to get these in a 11. The next shoe that I got, I'm trying to see if this is the one I wore already. I don't know if this is the brand. I'm not even going to try to murder it. Christian something for Payless. These are the ones I had on, you guys. And these are a size 11. This is how they look. This is the boot everyone was asking me about. I actually have these on my Instagram. I think it's my last recent picture that I posted. And I'm actually wearing the black dress that I'm talking about. I thought those were the shoes, but I forgot I had on like these boots. These go above my ankle. I really do love these shoes. These are trending right now. They have these on, I forget the name of the shoes, where you can order shoes every month. They send them to you as well. I don't know the name of the company. If I know, I'll leave them down below. But Payless had these. They're called Fab something. Just Fab, I believe. I could be wrong. Don't quote me. They had these as well, but I wanted to get them hand on. And these were the shoes they had in the store that day. So I was like, yes, give me these now. These was 50% off, and I took an extra 25% off of this as well with the email they sent to me. I like how it has the nice, cute little bow there. I like how it's kind of like a velvety, suede type of shoe. I love the big chunky heel. Like I said, I have wore these, as you guys can see. And then this is the side. It just zips up right here. Really cute shoes. You can definitely pair these with absolutely anything. And like I said, they were on sale. I don't have anywhere to put these shoes. This pair right here, I have no idea what pair this is. This is American Eagle. This is an 11 as well. And you guys, let me tell you something. I got 5 pair of shoes, and I didn't even spend over $100. So if you're trying to step your little wardrobe game up, your shoe game up on a budget, definitely go check Payless out, because y'all sleeping. So this is the next pair. These was originally $39.99. Like I said, I did not pay $39.99 for these. I haven't wore these, and I'm actually going to wear these tomorrow because me and my husband have plans. And I have a really cute, like, plummy is not even a word. Don't come for me, okay? It's like a plum / pomegranate type of color. It's not a burgundy, and it's not like a dark purple. It's really cute. It's sort of something like this, but it has more of a purple undertone in it, or a plum undertone in it. I am wearing these with it. It's a really nice dress, honey. That ass. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? And this is how the boot look. I love this like belt type of print on it right here. This is how the front looks. This is just a boot you can wear with anything. And this is how the side looks. I love boots that have like just a zipper up here, still have the detail going around it, and then it's just a nice clean look on this side. And plus, I love the chunky heels. Any type of chunky heel I can wear all day long, versus my like new boots I got that has the really thin heel. I didn't get them from Payless. I actually got them from Nordstrom's. I cannot wear them long at all. Really, the shoes that have the really thin heel, girl, it's just for me to sit and look cute, okay? Because this is the shoe that's gonna give me life all day long, 24/7, and I can get around in them and I'm good to go. So that is this pair. And then last, which is this other brand right here. I don't know what shoe this is. Oh, these are my favorite. I'm so glad I'm filming this today, you guys, so I can wear them this weekend. These are my favorite pair. I love this color. These was originally $44.99, but I did not get them for $44.99. Oh my God, you guys, look how gorgeous these are. The color and everything. Let me take one out so you guys can see. You guys are sleeping on Payless. Like, if you sleep, you need to wake up. Like, that's what this video is for, okay? I love this color. On camera, it's coming off like a tan type of color, I believe. I can't really see that far. But in person, it's like a brownish nude slash rose gold slash tannish blush looking color. Kind of like the color of my nails. My nails, when I go get my nails done, this color acrylic is called nude. So if you look, it's kind of like a true, I'm not going to say a true nude, but I cannot wait to wear these. Like I said, I love the chunky heel. I love the silver detail on it. And I love like just a plain zipper on this side. Like I said, these originally was $44.99, but y'all know your girl did not spend $44.99 on these shoes. I love these shoes. I tried them on in the store. They fit me so comfortably. As a matter of fact, you guys, when I went in to get my other two pair of shoes that they called when I ordered them in the store, these are the ones I actually picked up that day. You guys remember me telling you guys, I snapped and I was like, girl, they having another sale today. So I picked these up because these were half off that day, and I still had that same 25% off coupon. So half of this would have been like, I don't know, it's $44.99, let's just say 23 bucks, and then I had an extra 25% off. So I didn't pay that much for these shoes, and they look really good. So that is pretty much everything I got from Payless. This is my Payless little shoe haul you guys wanted to see. Thank you guys for requesting me to do this video on Snapchat. You guys know I love telling you guys to tea on the coupons and stuff like that, especially with it being around Christmas time. If you know someone in your family like different shoes, different boots, or like even the shoes I got that are not boots, you can go and, I'm getting over a cold, so if you hear me, that's what that's for. If you know someone who's looking to get some shoes and stuff like that, go shop at Payless. Like, you can shop wherever you want. You can have on stuff and it still look cute, and ain't nobody gonna know you ain't paid but a little bit of money for it, and it is what it is. So if you like to save your coins and ball on the budget like your girl do, go shop Payless. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, but if Payless sees this video, holla at your girl. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which shoe was your favorite. If you shop at Payless, if you like their style of shoes. And the thing about Payless, you guys, they have really upped their game. 5 years ago, the shoes was not made with this good quality. Like, look at the quality. Look at the quality of this shoe. Just look at the quality. It's really thick. It's really good material. It feels very nice and luxury. So, I mean, you're definitely getting, you know, what you're paying for. And you get real good quality shoes at an affordable price. So you guys know your girl love to save your coins, and I just really love this shoe. I cannot wait to wear this shoe. So So like I said, let me know which pair was your favorite. Did you like them all? My style may not be your style, and that's fine. Your style might not be my style, and that's absolutely fine. I'm going to wear what I want to wear. You wear what you want to wear, but I want to know which pair of shoes you like the best, so leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want more hauls, leave it down below. I am going to film another video in this outfit. I think I'm going to film next the Christmas stuffers gift idea under $10. So if you haven't seen that, if it's up, I'll have it linked down below. If it's not up, make sure you subscribe to get the notification. And you guys, today's notification goes out to Kendra082. Shout out to you, girl, for turning on your post notification and making sure you click done to let me know you did that. If you guys want to get a shout out in any of my upcoming videos, definitely don't forget to write done in the comments down below and click the bell to let me know you guys did click the bell to turn on your post notifications. So anytime your girl upload a video, you guys get the notification. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Get First Dibs. Y'all know I fuck with y'all. Tweet me. I tweet sometimes. I'm not a Twitter fan, but that's pretty much it for this video. Enough rambling. I love you guys so much. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different.